Healthbreak brought to you by Kentucky One Health.
Regular recurrent heartburn caused by acid splashing from the stomach into the esophagus could eventually lead to an esophageal cancer. But Dr. Rachel Mathis says there is a surgery that can help eliminate acid reflux.
Probably the most common one is called a Nissen fundoplication, where we take part of the stomach and wrap it around the top part of the stomach to make sure that the sphincter doesn't have increased pressure on it, causing you to be more likely to have reflux.
And doctors can also surgically repair a hiatal hernia that is causing reflux.
We're doing these surgeries laparoscopically now at least 9 times out of 10. When they are, patients can expect an overnight, maybe 2-night stay in the hospital. The physical recovery is generally very quick. Patients are back to eating normal food within a few weeks. The vast majority of them are so happy that they don't have another medication or they're not taking medications.
For more information, go to KentuckyOneHealth.org. I'm Beverly Herbert.